Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be unboxing the Empire rod I got right here in this tube. But before this starts, I want to first off by saying thank you to Empire's Rods for reaching out to me and contacting me in the first place to start this partnership up with their rod company. I've heard great things about them, but now it's great to get my hands on one. And now with the warm weather happening, I'll be able to get out into water and use this within the few weeks here. So yeah, let's get into this, see what we got here. I believe they have like a handful. I think there's like 5 maybe different kinds of rods on there. Most of them being bait casters, but they're all different, ranging from size. This one, put this down here. This one's going to be the Royal one. There's all different names. There's like Throne, Royal. That's how they name the different rods. But this is the 610. Comes in a nice rod sleeve right here, as you can tell. It's with on here. Tells you what it is. You have their logo, Empire Rods. It tells you the action, the different line and lure they recommend with it, and then the length of it right there. So get this out of here. Alrighty. There is the rod in its great glory and fashion. We can show you up close here. So it says Empire, you got their nice logo there. Here's the name of the rod, which is right here, as you can tell. Royal, other ones I know of as Throne, we'll just say it there. As all the other rods do in the fishing world. You flip it around, it tells you the action and the height, or not the height, the length. And then on the end of it, on the butt end of the pole, is the nice letter E for Empire. So yeah, it's a very nice 610 rod. I've like, now we got our hands on it. I like the action it has. It's not heavy, it's very light, has the nice corkscrew on the bottom of it. I don't like heavy rods for when we're on the boat and all that stuff, for casting and just all day long. I don't want a nice heavy rod. So always look for the lightest ones you can get. And this is definitely, I don't know the exact weight. It doesn't say on here. I'm sure if you looked it up or something, it'll tell you the exact weight. But definitely light. And on here, as it tells you, there's a new concept they put onto this rod, which is the lighter and stronger new slim O-rings for each eyelet on here. The other thing to mention is this 610 casting rod has a total of 11 eyelets, starting from here and heading all the way out. This rod is going to be partnered up with a brand new reel I just got the other day at Bass Pro. I got inked the line on it. I don't know what line I'm going to do yet, but it's going to be the Shimano Corrado DC. It's going to be going on this. This is, I think it's a great setup, and I'm looking forward to getting it out there. The boat's getting winterized literally tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then hopefully within a week or so we'll be on the water. Stripers are on their way up the river. Technically, because this is 610, you could use this for a striper rod, but I'm not. I have my striper pole separately. Let's see what else. I believe there's like a sticker or something in here. Yes, I knew I heard something else running around. In the bottom of it, you get the Empire rod, little sticker. Put this on something. I might put it on the desk. Maybe stick it on the side of the boat. Something. I'll figure out somewhere to put this. But for now, we can slide this back in the tube without losing it. Yeah. Wrap up this video. It's really quick. Just wanted to do an unboxing on here. Say thank you to Empire Rods for doing this partnership up here with the rods. And if you do want to purchase a rod for your own, there's go to their website and you use my code. You'll get a discount on it. If you use, I'll put the code up on the screen somewhere right here. But if you use Bravo USA, you'll get a discount on all their products on their page. So make sure you like and subscribe on this video. Turn post notifications bell on so you're not going to miss out when we do the review on this, because you're not going to want to miss it, because I'm sure it's going to excel in all categories. And you should head on down in the link description to their company, EmpireRods.com, and pick up a rod for yourself, because they're a great company, great communication with the founder and the owner of the company, great back and forth communication to help you out. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you